Welcome back to the Skift Daily Briefing. It's Friday, July 3rd. I'm Sarah Dandasheen. Today, the Trump administration wants to roll back airfare transparency rules. OTAs are racing to become AI agents' preferred infrastructure, and American Airlines is taking the fight to United in Chicago. Let's go ahead and get into it. So first up, the 2011 airfare transparency rule required airlines to display the total fare, which is taxes and fees included, more prominently than the base price. Now, the idea is what you get is what you pay for, which we all like, right? Well, the Trump administration just proposed repealing it. The Department of Transportation says that the only real change is font size, and consumer advocates would say that's exactly the kind of detail that leads to sticker shock at checkout. Now, this fits a pattern. The same administration scrapped cash compensation requirements for significantly delayed flights. They also dropped the lawsuit against Southwest over its 2022 holiday meltdown and rolled back disability protections for passengers. The takeaway here, the regulatory environment for airline consumers is getting thinner, and reading the fine print just got that much more important. Now, next up, a sharp piece this week on the new front in the AI distribution war. OTAs like Expedia and Booking have been focused on convincing travelers to trust them over AI chatbots. Trip.com's executive chairman just reframed the whole question entirely. The real battle isn't winning traveler trust, it's winning the trust of AI agents themselves. Now, his argument, when an AI assistant plans your trip, it needs real-time pricing, verified inventory, reliable service guarantees, and general purpose AI can't provide that, but OTAs can. So Trip.com is packaging all of that into AI-ready services that plug directly into agent workflows. The OTAs that embed themselves into AI infrastructure first will capture demand whether or not a traveler ever even opens up their app. And the ones that don't, well, they risk being routed around entirely. And finally, American Airlines is launching nonstop Chicago to Tokyo services starting in March of 2027. This is a direct shot at United, which has been aggressively expanding at O'Hare as well. Now, the FAA actually ordered flight reductions there this summer because both airlines kept adding capacity and the airport, well, it got congested. Now, the Tokyo route connects onward through Japan Airlines to Bangkok, Singapore, and Taipei. And American is eyeing a major wide-body order to close the gap with United's much larger international fleet. So, in a nutshell, American is playing catch-up internationally, and Chicago is the battleground. Tokyo is just a statement of intent. Well, that's it for your Skift Daily Briefing. For more industry news, head to skift.com. And as always, subscribe at skift.com/daily. Hope you have a wonderful 4th of July weekend.